Hey everybody, got this Stouffer's roast turkey frozen meal here. Picked this up from Wal Mart for real cheap. Let's see how close to the picture it looks. Hey, that's a good sign. Looks a lot better than the banquet stuff. Man, I say stay away from that banquet stuff, but let's try this. This looks like a little bit of a step up. I'll go ahead and follow the directions here, cook it up, see what happens. It says to cut it, cook it for 2.5 minutes on high. I'll give that a shot. Going a little bit over, I'm gonna watch the time. Well, an indicator that you've cooked it right is it's still cold on the bottom. Peel back the tray and stir it around and recook it. Can't really stir around the potatoes, they're still frozen. Do it for 2.5 more minutes. All right, this should be about done by now. Oh yeah, ooh, it's hot. That smells good. Now I can stir this around real good. All right, I'm gonna let that cool off, then eat. All right, this is nice and cooled off now. Give these potatoes a go and see how they are. Oh yeah, that's good. Try this here. Tastes just like Thanksgiving. Get it?